Hey, it's Bede from Gaijin-Garage. I've got a special video for you guys today. You know it's special because I've got my Nissan gloves which only come out for special occasions. So I've got here a 1990, I think, 91 spoon brochure. The embossed catalogue. Bit of history, you guys might not have seen these before. It's very rare, it took me a while to find. This has the whole collection of spoon NSX parts as little brochures, but the one I wanted to show you was this CR1, and it's pretty cool. Hey, spoon exhaust system N1 muffler kit for NSX NA1, but that's not actually what I wanted to show you guys. Let's put that away. Let's see what's under here. Looks like something we just saw. So we have some titanium here, guys. It's not what we're used to seeing in the N1 box, but take a look under here. Take a look at that. That's beautiful. There you have it, guys. This is a special request order, only available through spoon dealers. If you have a NSX, NA1 or NA2, mind spoon exhaust, genuine, brand new and titanium, give us a call.